I know what you're thinking already, because I'm a highly trained JV Zoo robot that has been magically sent to your inbox. And if you thought this was just another AI sales pitch, or just your normal everyday business opportunity, think again.
Scratch that. You're sick of the AI presentations, and you want to support the real. Forget the fancy cars, the mansions, and all that bullish. To sell you yet another business opportunity.
Gotcha, bitch.
And let me get you into something that's real. In the next 5 minutes, what I'm about to show you, I can guarantee you have not seen anything like this. I know, because I have been online marketing for over 20 years, and it was a first for me. All right, so I'm about to log right into one of my accounts. I'm gonna go log in quick, and as you can see, this account is popping. Now, this has been for a while now. This is not just overnight success type of thing, so don't think of that. All right, what I want you to see is the possibilities. I have generated $100,205 in this account, with my balance still $33,000 waiting to be spent. All right, this is amazing stuff. This happens over time. You're talking about millions of clicks over here, thousands of conversions, and like profits are crazy. My ROI on this is 3%. My ROI on this 42%. My ROI on this spent 186%, 83%. I mean, this is what I'm getting paid. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how and what you need to do to replicate this. How about getting paid from the Google Play Store? How about getting paid from the Apple App Store?
What?
I want you to imagine those fat, juicy checks arriving to your bank account while not selling anything, and setting it up one time, simply by following a very easy instructions. So if you could read and you can click buttons, you can make cash. But before I spill the beans on how, please sit down and pay close attention, because what you're about to discover will send excitement throughout your whole body. Now, are you ready? Let's first raise the energy, raise the vibrations, and get into it right now. What if we took the best of CPA marketing, removed all the obstacles that you normally have to do? Create landing pages, build email lists and follow-ups, write copy that gets approved, check tracking links, run traffic and retargeting, make that CPA, that cost per action, that lovely sale, and losing money on testing. So we removed all those obstacles. Then we injected underground worldwide traffic, which is not Facebook, which is not TikTok, which is not X, which is not Instagram, which is not Reddit, which is not YouTube, etc., etc. And we give you seed money up front to get started fast. Would you be interested? Fact, we paid out students over $80,000 since we began invites. These are all PayPals. $2,211, $1,500, $1,500, $3,000, another $3,000, $1,500, $1,500, $2,015, $1,500. Guys, this ain't even all the screenshots. What if you could spend 1 hour a day to make a true passive income? Would you even be more interested?
Hey, you there. Don't touch that button. I've been making money online for over 20 years. I think I know what I'm talking about. Now, get back to the video.
Until right now, this was not even close to possible. So do not leave just yet. It's about to